Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You want the single reliable measurement method, a physical diagonal measurement of the visible screen. First, make sure the laptop is on a flat surface and the lid is at a regular viewing angle. Once done, power off or dim the display so reflections don't hide the glass edge. Then position a rigid tape measure or a straight ruler so you can reach corner to corner. Make sure you will measure from the inside edge of the glass, not the plastic bezel. Now you perform the actual diagonal measurement, which is the only correct way to state display size. Place the zero of the tape at the inside corner of the top left glass where the active display begins. Stretch it straight to the opposite inside corner at the bottom right. Steady the tape against the glass so it doesn't bow. Read the measurement to the nearest tenth. If you need metric, convert precisely. Most manufacturer specs use inches, so round to the closest common size. Finish by noting the diagonal as the display size. That's what matters for cases and specs. Once you've recorded the number, compare it to the laptop's published dimensions to confirm. If the corners are heavily rounded or the bezel intrudes, take a second diagonal measurement from the other corner pair and average the two to reduce error. If you can't see the true glass edge, use a magnifying glass or a thin card to find the active area. This fixes most measurement mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.